Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you're enjoying your day. So, in this video, we are going to learn about one car racing game. This is very simple game. So, we can say this is a startup game, okay, about your car racing. Okay, so now first what I will do, I will run this project. I will show you what output you will get here. So here we need to use our arrows like a right arrow, up arrow. So here we need to use our up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Okay. So if you want to create this game, for that we need to add our backdrop. So as you can see, this is our backdrop. Means this is just one simple look like a road. Even if you want, you can design any other backdrop also according to your choice. After that, we have our sprite one, which is looks like a car. So here we have only one backdrop and one sprite. Now for your sprite, how we will start the coding? So what we want to add when flag is clicked. So for this car, we want the direction which is right. Suppose if you will add this direction, so what you will get? You will get car in up direction. Even if you want, you can add in the left direction also or in down. So according to your choice, what direction you want for your car, you can add. And this you will get inside the motion. We have point in direction. Then we can start any sound here. Okay. After that, we want to go to this particular position for the car, which is on x-axis we have -5, on y-axis we have -133. After that, in the forever, means if you want anything as a continuous, okay, for that we need to take this forever, and this you will get inside the control. We have this forever, and then we will add our if conditions. Okay, so first we have our if condition, so you will get that here. If right arrow key is pressed, okay, like if I will click on right arrow, so where you will get that inside sensing we have that. Okay, like whatever key we will press, like this one, instead of space we have all the keys, you can add any one of them. So when right arrow key is pressed, we want to take right 8-degree turn, which is you will get inside the motion. Now see this. If I will if I will click on right arrow, see the car is, we can say, taking turn with the 8-degree. Now when we will press the left arrow, so we want to take a car turn with left degree, as you can see the motion of the car. After that, when we will press the up arrow, so we want to move the car with its step. And if we will press the down arrow, so we need to move the car with minus its step. Okay. Then we have our next part. If your car will touch to this green color, so again we need to just go to the sensing. You need to take this. How you will get the exact color here? We need to just select this pen option, and then you will select that particular color. Like if car will touch to the green color, again we will go to this particular position, like your starting position for the car, and then again we will take this direction which is right, and then we will change our lives by -1. So we need to just go to the variable. We need to make a variable, write on your variable name lives. So if your car will touch to the screen color, so we need to decrease the point. Okay, so this is our overall car project. Okay, so please try this project and share your project link in the comment section. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care. Please share our channel, which is Code for Kids. Bye bye.